Hey, and welcome to Forging Iron. In this series, I'm gonna bring you through my 30-week journey to become an Ironman. I'm going to compete in the Ironman Barcelona, which is held October 2nd, 2020. Today is Monday, 7th of March. So it's almost exactly 30 weeks when the Ironman is being held. Today, I'm officially starting my 30-week training plan, which consists of a lot of cycling, swimming and running to become an Ironman. I'm using a training plan from the book Be Iron Fit by Don Fink. Throughout this series you will see my life, how I'm combining the training with school and studies. I will also try to bring more positive vibes to this world throughout my videos. I hope you like this series, but without further ado, let's go. What a better way to start the program than by eating. I'm gonna eat some lihapiirakka meat pie. It has basically meat inside of it. I'm gonna put some wieners in there and one egg. But yeah, today is a rest day. And tomorrow I'm gonna go to work. I just started the first workout, which is 30 minutes of zone 2 cycling. But yeah, today in my plan I have 30 minutes of zone 2 cycling and 2,500 meter swim. The swimming hall opens at 8 a.m. and it's currently 7:15 or something. So gonna go there next. I'm still using my sneakers because I haven't received my new pedals yet, which fit to my cycling shoes. So this will have to do. 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna go to the swimming pool and also hit the gym. Gonna hit the gym 2 times a week. It's about 30 minutes walk to the swimming hall. Okay, Raccoon Eyes here. I just got back from the swimming hall and gym. Hit the gym for solid maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes, and I was quite tired still from the last weekend's challenge when I did the 4x48. I have been preparing for this training plan for the last 6 months by trying to lose some weight, so I have basically done the whole 6 months intermittent fasting, where I have fasted for 16 hours a day from 8 p.m. till noon, and I'm going to stop it now because I realized how much I'm going to consume and how important it is for my recovery to eat good and a lot. What do we have here? Okay, so I got a package from Amazon and apparently the package has taken some beating. So I ordered a week ago new pedals to my bicycle, which will fit the cleats on my bicycle shoes. And then I also ordered a helmet. Boom. Does it look good? It's not too comfortable to be honest, but it will do. I also got a visor with it. Looks fine to me. Boom. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I just spent literally 2 hours trying to change these pedals because I didn't realize that this screws clockwise to loosen it, and this is counterclockwise. I just watched a YouTube video how to change pedals. That worked. So yeah, keep that in mind if you're changing bicycle pedals. By the way, I was supposed to do 30 minutes on to run today, not the 30-minute bike, but I guess it's the same different. I've run quite a lot these past few days, but yes sir. Now, see you tomorrow. Wednesday, 9th of March. Today I'm having a brick workout in my training plan. Gonna cycle for 30 minutes in zone 2 and then gonna do a quick change, which is up to 3-minute period where I'm gonna change my cycling shoes to running shoes, put a jacket on, put a hat on and go running for 15 minutes in zone 2, and that's it for today. Cycling, first time with the new shoes, and I must say this is much more harder. My thighs and legs feel like burning. Oh man. Gonna be nice 30 weeks. 30 minutes. Get this off. My legs are shaking. Quick change, 3 minutes. 15 minutes, zone 2. Should be just nice cool down. It's quite cold here without any gloves. Oh. There's today's training. I'm gonna feast now. So I did the training in the morning. Now I've feasted, and I must say my legs are quite sore from the cycling. I haven't got used to it, but I probably will. Yeah, gonna do some pull-ups in my stairs now because I don't know what else I would do. But yep. Almost 5. Thursday, 10th of March, 8 AM. Today's in my plan I have 30 minutes of zone 1 cycling with over 100 cadence, 2,500 meter swim, which I'm gonna do in the afternoon because I have some school in the morning. Oh yeah, gonna also hit the gym before the swim. Did it. Cycling is much more harder than I thought before I started the training plan. Like, it's much more painful than running in my opinion, because I just have to like bike all the time in here. No change of view. Well, I'm watching a podcast on my computer, but that's about it. But yeah, now it's 8:30 and I'm gonna eat. Alright, this is my first time trying overnight oats. I have some peanut butter in here, some yogurt, almond milk, banana, honey. Let's taste. Oh wow, it's really good. Thumbs up. Swim done. Okay, finished today's training. I'm feeling strong. I'm feeling energy, positive vibes. It's about just under 3 kilometer walk from my home to the swimming hall and gym, so yeah. I'm on my Friday workout, which is 30 minutes of zone 2 running. Nice and easy. So today, it's Saturday, and I'm biking. And I can tell you, I really didn't want to do this, and I don't want to do this now. In fact, I think this is the most painful discipline of the three. But who gives a fuck? One opportunity to covers my mind. One opportunity to armor my mind. Morning. Today I'm filming with my phone. Going for a run. Sunday, last workout of the week. Today running for 45 minutes. Zone 1 to zone 2. Nice and easy. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Did I leave the stove on? Never mind. There you go, first week of Ironman training out of 30 weeks done. If you have any comments, thoughts, or something you would like to see about my life, just leave a comment below. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Este luego.